amigos, welcome to Chef Myra's channel, and today I want to take you along the Maasai culture. But before that, let's dress as one. In an African home, tea is the beverage that we serve visitors as they come. This is my shosho. My shosho inataka na ni msuri kabisa. Shosho wangu. Shosho wangu. Na wewe pia ni shosho wangu.
You have the grandmother.
My grandmother. Come with me. Let's prepare some tea with my Maasai sisters. By putting wire mesh. This is just to hold the sufuria in place to make sure it doesn't fall. Sufuria.
Because they have cows, they don't die.
Siko malishoni sasa. Hata nimeshakata mama.
Okay, kidogo tu, chukua tu kidogo.
Hatuna siku hizi ng'ombe. Ningepata aje tukiwa na ng'ombe ndio sawa.
We'll just wait for our milk to boil. Naweza songesha hizi.
Mamba ya?
Lazima kamera.
Beti. Nige bala. Kwa ngiye ile bala. Nige bala. Igrum sajin bawa. Kemuda nai baba.
Just put in some tea leaves. So here they put tea leaves in milk first before you add water. It's somewhat different so that it can allow the milk to cook the tea leaves for better flavoring. So we'll just fix in our firewood so that our fire can be good. So when you come visit Africa, be sure to have tea. Because that's a common beverage in African homes. We always have tea. And by the way, Kenya exports the best tea leaves. Have you tried Kenyan tea leaves? Kindly comment down below.
Sawa, tabala tu nje. Tabala.
Afrika unajua maji inakuwa nyingi.
Sababu sisi ni wengi. Mama anazaa watoto sita kama. Sasa unapika kidogo nani atakunywa?
So basically you add the water according to the number of people in your homestead. For us today we have a lot of visitors. So
We'll add water.
Until the ancestors say okay. That's enough.
Masihira ndio.
Eka hiyo tu. Have you seen our cups? They are metallic. Yeah. So when you use this cup to take tea, you have to be an expert because it can easily burn your lips. Yeah. So this is what we train our children so that whenever there is food, they eat quickly and they go. They don't sit with food just there for long. Metallic cups. Our tea is ready.
Inaendelea hivi nakaa mzuri, hakuna shida sana.
Naona kuna afya.
Hakuna vitu.
Naona smart. Bado ni mrembo.
Hakuna. Ashe.